Let's talk about fat. It's a word that sparked heated debates at dinner tables and in scientific circles alike. For decades, fat was painted as the enemy of good health, blamed for everything from heart disease to expanding waistlines. But as research has evolved, so has our understanding of this essential nutrient. For years it was the dietary villain, but science has revealed a more nuanced story. We now know that not all fats are created equal, and some are not only safe but vital for our bodies to function properly. Not all fats are created equal. Some are essential for our health. Healthy fats, like those found in nuts, seeds, fish, and certain oils, support brain function, hormone production, and even help absorb vitamins. Today, choosing a cooking oil is a critical decision for anyone aiming for a healthier kitchen. The oil you pick can influence not just the taste of your food, but also its nutritional value and how your body responds to it. The modern pantry is packed with options from sunflower to pumpkin seed oil, but this abundance brings confusion. With so many bottles lining the shelves, each promising unique benefits, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. We're bombarded with terms like cold-pressed, extra virgin, refined, and unrefined. These labels can be confusing and sometimes even misleading, making it tough to know what's actually best for your health and your cooking. At the heart of this debate are two heavyweights: olive oil and avocado oil. Both are celebrated for their health benefits, but each brings its own unique qualities to the table. Both have impressive credentials, but the oil you cook with becomes a fundamental part of your meals and your health. The choice you make can affect everything from the flavor of your dishes to the nutrients you absorb. It's not just about flavor or performance, it's about what you're putting into your body every day. The right oil can elevate a simple salad or sautéed veggies, while the wrong one might undermine your health goals. In this video, we'll dissect their nutritional profiles, health claims, and kitchen performance. We'll look at how each oil stands up to heat, how they impact cholesterol, and what the latest research says about their long-term effects. Is olive oil still the champion, or does avocado oil have what it takes to dethrone it? We'll put them head-to-head so you can make an informed choice. We'll cut through the marketing and give you the facts. No hype, just science and practical advice you can use in your own kitchen. By the end, you'll be ready to choose the right oil for the right job, empowered with knowledge, not swayed by trends or flashy packaging. Before we crown a winner in the battle of healthy oils, let's take a closer look at what really sets olive oil and avocado oil apart. These two kitchen staples have become favorites for home cooks and health enthusiasts alike, but what's actually inside those elegant bottles? Let's see what's inside the bottle beyond just the golden or greenish hue. Both oils may look similar, but their subtle differences can have a big impact on your health and your cooking. Both olive and avocado oil are almost pure fat, about 120 calories per tablespoon. That means they pack a lot of energy into a small amount, so a little goes a long way in your recipes. But it's the type of fat that matters most for your heart and overall health, not just the number of calories. Both are rich in monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid, which is well known for its positive effects on heart health, cholesterol, and even inflammation. Extra virgin olive oil is about 73% monounsaturated fat, with the rest made up of saturated and polyunsaturated fats. This unique balance is part of what makes olive oil so prized in healthy diets. This fat profile is the backbone of the Mediterranean diet, a way of eating that's famous for promoting longevity, reducing the risk of chronic disease, and supporting a healthy lifestyle. Avocado oil is similar, around 70% monounsaturated, with slightly less saturated fat than olive oil, making it another heart-friendly choice. It also contains a bit more polyunsaturated fat, which can be beneficial for brain health and cell function. From a fat perspective, they're nearly identical twins, both offering a healthy alternative to butter or highly processed vegetable oils. So, where's the real difference? It's in the details, like the unique vitamins, antioxidants, and other bioactive compounds each oil brings to the table. These micronutrients set high-quality oils apart from their refined counterparts, offering extra health benefits that go beyond just fat content. It's here that olive and avocado oil start to show their unique strengths, each with its own blend of nutrients, flavors, and culinary uses. We move beyond fat grams into the world of phytochemicals, plant-based compounds that can help fight inflammation and protect your cells. That's where things get interesting, because the story of these oils is about much more than just fat. It's about the powerful, health-boosting extras that come along for the ride. let's dive into the magic of monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid. Diets rich in oleic acid can lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and raise HDL, good cholesterol. It's like a traffic warden for your arteries, keeping things flowing smoothly. Both oils are heart-healthy choices thanks to this. Oleic acid also has anti-inflammatory properties, helping fight chronic diseases. But the benefits depend on the oil's quality. Minimally processed, cold-pressed versions retain more of these compounds. Highly refined oils lose much of their nutritional value, so for maximum benefit, choose high-quality versions of either oil. On this front, it's a tie. Both deliver similar heart and anti-inflammatory benefits. The real difference comes from the supporting cast of vitamins and antioxidants. Now, let's take a closer look at the micronutrients that truly set these oils apart from the rest. While both olive oil and avocado oil are celebrated for their healthy fats, it's the hidden nutrients inside each bottle that make them real standouts in your kitchen. Extra virgin olive oil is loaded with polyphenols, powerful plant-based antioxidants like oleocanthal, which is known for its anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds help protect your cells from damage, and may even play a role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and certain cancers. That peppery bite you sometimes feel at the back of your throat? It's a sign of high-quality olive oil. And it's actually the polyphenols at work. The more pronounced the peppery sensation, the higher the antioxidant content. Olive oil also provides essential vitamins like vitamin E, which acts as a powerful antioxidant, and vitamin K, which is important for blood clotting and bone health. These nutrients work together to support your body's natural defenses and keep your bones strong. Avocado oil, meanwhile, is a good source of vitamin E as well, but it truly shines with its high lutein content, a carotenoid that supports eye health and may help protect against age-related vision problems. Lutein is not produced by the body, so getting it from foods like avocado oil is especially important. While olive oil leads the way in polyphenols and broad antioxidant power, avocado oil is the better choice if you're looking to support your vision and eye health, thanks to its abundance of lutein. So, it's a bit of a trade-off. Olive oil offers a wider range of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory benefits, while avocado oil stands out for its eye-protecting nutrients. Your choice might depend on your specific health goals, whether you're aiming to boost your heart health, protect your eyesight, or simply add more nutrients to your meals. Both oils bring unique and valuable benefits to the table, making them excellent additions to a balanced diet. You don't have to choose just one. Using both can help you get the best of both worlds. Ultimately, the best oil for you depends on what you value most in your diet and your personal health priorities. Whichever you choose, you're making a smart, nutrient-rich choice for your kitchen. For heart health, both oils are top picks thanks to their monounsaturated fats. Olive oil has more research behind it, especially the pre-dimed study showing its power to reduce heart disease risk. Its polyphenols protect cholesterol from oxidation and support healthy blood vessels. Avocado oil offers similar benefits, plus some evidence for lowering blood pressure and triglycerides. Olive oil has a slight edge due to extensive research, but avocado oil is still an excellent choice, especially if you prefer its taste or need a higher smoke point. For heart health, using both is a smart strategy. Both oils aren't just for eating, they're great for your skin too. Consumed, their healthy fats and vitamin E nourish skin from within, keeping it hydrated and resilient. Olive oil contains squalane, a natural moisturizer, while avocado oil is rich in sterolins, which soften skin and may reduce age spots. Avocado oil may also boost collagen, supporting skin firmness. Topically, avocado oil absorbs quickly and feels lighter, making it popular for facial care. Olive oil is heavier but offers strong antioxidant protection. Both can be used in your diet and skincare routine for glowing, healthy skin. Olive oil's squalene and polyphenols protect, while avocado oil's sterolins and collagen support nourish. For comprehensive skin health, include both in your routine. Your skin will thank you. Let's talk smoke points, the temperature where oil breaks down and forms harmful compounds. Extra virgin olive oil has a lower smoke point, 160–190 degrees Celsius, making it best for medium heat, dressings, and finishing dishes. High heat destroys its delicate flavors and nutrients. Avocado oil, especially refined, has a much higher smoke point, up to 271 degrees Celsius, making it perfect for searing, stir-frying, and deep frying. Its neutral flavor won't overpower your food. In the smoke point showdown, avocado oil wins for high-heat cooking. Olive oil shines in low to medium heat and as a finishing touch. Use each oil where it performs best for health and flavor. An oil's value isn't just about smoke point, it's about flavor and versatility. Extra virgin olive oil brings complex, robust flavors that can elevate salads, pastas, and even baked goods. It's perfect for vinaigrettes, gentle sautéing, and as a finishing oil. Olive oil's personality is meant to be noticed. Avocado oil, on the other hand, is neutral and buttery, making it a versatile workhorse. It's ideal for high-heat cooking, homemade mayo, and baking when you want a light texture. Use avocado oil when you want the main ingredients to shine. Anywhere you'd use a neutral oil, avocado oil is a healthier swap. Both oils have unique culinary roles. Stock both for maximum kitchen flexibility. So which oil is healthier? The answer, both for different reasons. Olive oil's polyphenols and proven heart benefits make it a top pick, especially for raw uses in moderate heat. Avocado oil matches olive oil's healthy fats, adds lutein for eye health, and excels at high-heat cooking. Using avocado oil for searing and frying keeps your food healthier by avoiding harmful compounds. The smartest approach? Keep both oils in your pantry. Use olive oil for flavor, antioxidants, and low to medium heat. Use avocado oil for high heat and neutral tasting dishes. Each oil has a distinct, valuable role. Variety is key to a healthy kitchen. Embrace both, and let your cooking and your health benefit.